Welcome. Let's get started on this introductory video for a series I can't wait to share with you. Nature teaches us everything we need to know if we listen. In this series, we'll explore three guiding principles: simplicity, interdependence, and balance. These truths shape ecosystems, the cosmos, and even our lives. Today we'll introduce them and discover their connection to how we live, grow, and thrive. I have always felt a deep connection with the natural world. As a child, I spent hours on long walks, marveling at the beauty of the woods and the rhythm of the seasons. That same curiosity stayed with me into adulthood, inspiring me to reflect deeply on the wisdom nature offers. And over the years, I've come to see how its lessons, simplicity, interdependence, and balance, can guide us toward more meaningful, abundant, and healthier lives. So let's talk about these three principles. Simplicity. Nature achieves incredible results with minimal effort. A seed grows into a tree with just sunlight, water, and soil. Simplicity is the foundation of efficiency and resilience. Interdependence. Nature thrives through connection. While gathering their own food, bees carry out the task of pollination and ensure plants grow. Interdependence is the foundation of strength and collaboration. Balance. Nature maintains harmony by responding to causes and their effects. Rain nourishes plants, plants return moisture to the air, and the cycle continues. Balance is sustained by addressing the forces that create stability or disruption. Simplicity, interdependence, and balance aren't just ideas. They're universal truths that shape life. They remind us to simplify, connect, and find harmony. Every effect has a cause, and by observing these principles in action, we can learn to make choices that lead to clarity, connection, and stability. Whenever I feel overwhelmed, I go for a walk in the woods. I listen, I learn. I feel part of something greater, a whole system working together in harmony. I remember a time when my schedule was packed and I felt like I was always rushing. It wasn't until I began to simplify, to let go of what didn't serve me, that I truly found peace. The lessons I've learned in the woods also remind me to take small, meaningful actions. Offering help or asking for support might seem small, but these actions ripple through my relationships, creating deeper bonds and mutual growth. Honoring balance has been a journey. I've learned to notice when I'm pushing too hard and need to step back, rest, and realign. It's not always easy, but understanding the effects of imbalance has helped me to embrace the rhythms of work and rest, action, and stillness. These principles, simplicity, interdependence, and balance, are not just ideas. They're guides that can guide us toward a more abundant, meaningful, and healthy life. Nature teaches us in small, quiet ways. Think about a tree. It lets go of old leaves to make space for new growth. In time, those fallen leaves enrich the soil around the tree, supporting further growth and allowing the benefits to multiply. Taking this insight into our own lives, we can ask, are there areas that feel tangled or overgrown? In my own life, what is it I need to release to create space for clarity and growth? Or consider a river. It flows steadily, weaving its way through the landscape with balance and persistence. Over time, it nourishes the land as it shapes its surroundings. Taking this insight into our own lives, we might ask, where do I see a steady flow in my life? What connections or habits can help me create a more harmonious path? Take a moment to pause. Notice something in nature, a tree, the sky, or a flower. Listen deeply and ask yourself, what can I learn here? When we slow down and attune ourselves to the natural world, we discover profound insights that, when applied, enrich our lives beautifully. In upcoming episodes, we'll examine these principles at a deeper level. I hope you'll subscribe and join the journey. If this video resonated with you, I think you'll love the beautiful PDF guide that I've created to go along with it. It's full of simple prompts and exercises to help you connect and reflect with these principles in a much deeper and engaging way. You can find it by joining the Fruitiful Soul Society. The link is in the description. And remember, stay fruitful, you beautiful soul.